Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, teacher.
Do you want to sing a song?
Good
Yes, teacher.
Yes, teacher.
Okay, we're going to sing a song about the parts of the body. Do you know the song Head and Shoulders?
Yes.
Alright, okay. I know that you're already familiar with that song. Ready? Let us sing to the tune of Head and Shoulder, Knees and Toes. Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3, go! Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Once again. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes. Alright, everybody clap your hands. Okay, you may sit down now. Everybody sit down. Okay, look at Mantas now. So, our song is about the parts of the body. Okay, anyone who can give me the parts of the body? Anyone? Give me one part of the body. What part of the body do you have? Give me an example. Yes, ate. Eyes, very good. Would you please go here in front, ate? And show them where are your eyes. Come on. Okay, show them where are your eyes. Very good. What's your name? Oh, Aliyah. Show your classmates the different parts of your body. Would you identify the different parts of the body? Can you identify? Yes or no? Yes. Okay, what part of the body is this? This one. Anyone? It's already mentioned in the song. It was already mentioned in the song. Ah, very good. Head. Everybody say head. Okay, I have here a picture of parts of the body. Okay, this is an example of the picture showing the parts of the body. Aside from the body that we have, we will know the different parts of the body using this material. Okay, this one is what we call head. Okay, so would you please point, where's your head? Everybody, point to your head now. Okay, show me your head again. Go. Head. How about the other parts of the body mentioned in the song? Head. What else? Very good. Ate, what's your name? Opo. So what's the other one? Shoulder. Okay, would you please hold your shoulders? The left and the right shoulders. Oh, where are your shoulders? Go. Hold it now. Yes, shoulders. So move your shoulders like this. Everybody, move your shoulders like this. Very good. Another part of the body mentioned in the song. Head, shoulder, what else?
My toe.
Very good. Aside from toes, or before the toes. Before the toes. Tuhod, or what we call? Knees. Everybody say knees. Knees. Or in this picture, this is the knee. Okay, we have two knees, the left and the right knees. Alright? So, where are your knees? Everybody stand up. Children, stand up. Okay, hold your knees. Where are your knees? Go. Okay, hold your knees. Let me see your knees. Very good. Oh, we're not hitting the toes. Okay, hold your knees. Everybody, hold your knees. Very good. And then aside from knees, what is the last part of the body mentioned in the song? Very good. Okay, would you please point? Where are your toes? Where are your toes? Everybody, point it now. Very good. Alright. Another, aside from head. Everybody, hold your head. Go. Head. Your shoulders. Shoulders. Oh, go. Hold it too. Both. Two. Shoulders. Everybody say shoulders. How about your knees? Knees and toes. Alright. So then, there is the last part of the song mentioned wherein the parts of the body are being mentioned. What are they? Huh? Oh, we're done with the toes. We're done with the toes. What else? Huh? Eyes. Okay, let me show your eyes. Let me see your eyes. Oh, everybody. ate. Okay, another. Aside from eyes.
Eyes.
Oh, eyes and...
Mata.
eyes and...
Ears.
Yes, ears. So in this picture, here are the eyes. Oh, do you see the big eyes of the boy? Yes or no? Yes, the boy is looking at you. He is using his eyes. Okay, aside from eyes, what else? Ears. Okay,
Ears.
everybody hold your ears. Hold your ears. Let me see your ears. Where are your ears? Very good. Very good. Tenga. Okay, in this picture, where are the ears? Or there's one only ear being seen in the picture. Okay, tenga or ears. Another part. Another part. Eyes, ears. What else? Mouth. Everybody hold your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Let me see your mouth. Where's your mouth? Okay, everybody, point your mouth. Be big. Very good. Oh, let me see your mouth. Very good. How about that? Very good. Another. The last one. What else? What's the last one? Very good. Ilong or nose. Okay, again. Where's your nose? Let me see your nose. Nose. Okay, everybody stand up and let me see. Who can identify the different parts of their body? Let me see. Okay, head. Where's your head? Go. Very good. Shoulders. Very good. Knees. Very good. Toes. Very good. Eyes. Very good. Ears. Where are your ears? Very good. Mouth. Where's your mouth? Okay, this one. Not this one, huh? This one. And nose. Where's your nose? This one. Yes. Okay, can we sing again the song for the last time? Do you want to sing the song again? Anyone? Children, do you want to sing again? Very good. Okay, let us sing the song again. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Everybody sing. Everybody sing. Knees and toes. Head and shoulders, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Eyes and ears and mouth and nose. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Again. Head and shoulder, knees and toes. Knees and toes. Head and shoulder, knees and toes, knees and toes.